Hey, you are most welcome here. So today let's see how you can easily use Google search as a timer or a stopwatch. So my name is Ronnie Atwair and I'm glad that you chose this particular channel. I'm also known as Afro Boy Techs. So to get started, I would say that you go to google.com. Basically, I want us to start from the beginning. So just head over to google.com, and when you're at google.com or when you're here, just have to type in, for example, to use the timer, you can just say set timer for, you see it's giving me suggestions already, and set timer for maybe 2 days, for 1 day. Okay, let me say 2 days and see what comes through. Boom, we have a timer. So you just have to start or stop it. So by default it starts running from the time you actually get to do what, to load the page, and then the stopwatch is just right on its side on this tab, on this other tab. So I usually will use a stopwatch for my case because I really find it so useful when I want to do something and then measure how long I've spent doing that thing, basically online, or doing something that is actually part of my education, part of my reading, or personal. Maybe if you want to do Pomodoro timer, something like that, you could also use this. Maybe if you want to, I was using this to solve some Rubik's Cube. You do want maybe to use the stopwatch, and you can actually get to stop and then see the time is spent. You can actually implement the alarm thing here. You just have to make sure that when it reaches, it automatically rings, or something like that. The default Windows theme or something like that. You could, I believe there's a way you could even actually go beyond this and be able to integrate this online useful tool. Yeah, that's it basically for today. Maybe if you want also to set, you could just say Google stopwatch. And if you do Google stopwatch, it automatically brings you to stopwatch. That is, I'm just trying to say, if you've searched for Google stopwatch. But if you just did stopwatch, it may not bring Google's stopwatch. Oh, oops, it brings it. Wow. So if you just say stopwatch, it still brings it. You can just stopwatch, or it automatically brings their own stopwatch. And here you can also do, by default you see it's on 5 minutes, so you could also maybe do 5 minutes and then you see how you move through. You can actually customize and set your own time. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something. Please like this video. See you in the next video. Subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.